Hello everyone, this is Namita Thapa. You're watching my video English vlog with Namita. Now I'm ready to go for Shivratri Puja. Near my village there is a temple. So I'm ready to go. So first of all I would like to tell you Happy Mahashivratri to all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Then, and how did you celebrate Mahashivratri? Please write in the comment box. Guys, now I'm on the way of Mandir. So guys, I am finally reached in Shiv Mandir. It's time to take a little break. I am returning home to do my evening puja, and I have to return back at temple at 6 p.m. for Aarati, and tonight I will stay all night Jagaran. So this is a very golden opportunity for me this year. So guys, Lord Shiva has blessed us for this special occasion to do puja and to take fasting. So guys, I show you my puja room today. Guys, look at this. Excuse me. Just look at her fishbone hairstyle. And who made this?
My friend Lakshmi.
Who is your friend?
She's my friend.
Oh, you made this. Very beautiful.
नमस्तायुधाय नताय कृष्णवे कुवाभ्यां तसेवायुभ्यां तन्मने मानो महात्मतवान् आर्वकमानी चरमातर प्रियास्तन्नो रुद्रलीलः मानसचेतन रुद्रवाणिनो अविसन्तसतमित्वावामहे नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनान्यदिशाञ्च
दुध नहालिकन सबै पाप नलादिनु पाप लाग्यो म बोक्छु
त्यही भनेर त हामी थाहा नि
गर्दाखेरि के
अनि उसको इच्छा होला नि त ठिकै छैन भोलि गर्नु हो भनेर
व्रतमा खाने चिज हो
माथि पण्डितजीले जस्तो सिकाउनु भयो त्यस्तै हामीले गऱ्यौँ यहाँ पनि पण्डितजीले बस खानु भयो हामी खायौँ
नुन तेल खानु हुँदैन
आफूले खायौँ रोटी राख्यो कस्तो मिल्छ अझै खानु मन लाग्छ छैन
पत्र नवा हामी प्यासमा बसेर यो खाएर त्यहाँ त नुन पनि खाइन्छ
अब भोलि बिहान आलु बनाइदिन्छु नि ल कि खाँदैनौ
खान्छु
सक्दैन बिहान सर भन है अलिक यहाँनिर आउँदैछ कसले खान्छु भन
खान्छु
ओम सत्तनो अग्नि वरुण सेवन देव सेनोयासी सीताजिपनितम सुचिता सुतानो विश्वदेखाः शिल्पमुग्धमस्मतः अब आदिनिदम अग्नि वरुणाभ्यां नमः स्वाहा विपनिधोने ओम महा ओम
Never tapping it out,
Good morning, guys. Shivratri Puja has completed, so I'm returning back to home.